Hey guys, this is the last time I'll be recording for you this school year. You've stuck it out a long time here for distance learning, and for the most part, I think you've just done a wonderful job both communicating with me and getting your work done. I know this hasn't been easy, and so I wanted to make the last week as easy as possible for you guys. So really the only thing you have left is the WAVES exam. If you watched last week's instructions, you know I opened it as early as Friday, so some of you might actually already be done with this. But the test will close on Tuesday at midnight. So the cool thing about the WAVES test, though, is because there's no retake opportunity, we're just going to let you have 3 attempts on that same test. And so we'll take your highest score, but as long as you get your last attempt in by Tuesday at midnight, you'll be good to go. That can be found, obviously, in the folder that I've laid out for June 1st through the 4th. Now, what does that mean for the rest of the week? Well, Wednesday and Thursday can really just be some catch-up days on some critical content. There are a handful of you that are still missing tests. Some just maybe the energy test, some just the electricity test. Some of you are missing both. And in order to pass this class, you're really going to need to at least take those tests, because it's pretty hard to pass without, a score for an exam. Those tests can be found in the appropriate folder that I've tried to make really obvious. So energy tests in this white one, electricity in this orange one. The other thing that you can possibly turn in is really just anything from the WAVES unit. So we started here, starting with types and anatomy of waves, went into sound waves, etc. So it's really just any of the assignments found here can still be turned in for credit. I will be doing a last run through Friday morning to plug in grades, and I'll be posting them most likely in the afternoon. Okay. Really important that you let me know if you have any questions in this last week of school, since it's going to wrap up so quickly. But just remember, for this last test, you do have 3 attempts. So I thank you for sticking it out in distance learning. I know it hasn't been a fun time for you, and the summer will continue to be weird. But just hang in there and know that, we're in the same boat you are. No one's having a blast somewhere. We're all just kind of cooped up and bored and frustrated. But I'm proud of you guys and how you've taken this just as 9th graders in stride. And I'm hopeful that next year can start to normalize. The next time you see me, I won't be pregnant anymore, so I'm due to deliver in just a few weeks here, June 28th, but hoping he comes a little bit early. Really looking forward to it, but yeah, I'll look forward to sharing photos with you guys next year if I run into you in the halls or something and you think of asking. I'll be happy to do that. But again, thanks for your patience, for your hard work. I know it hasn't been easy listening to multiple teachers, but overall I've been really impressed with you guys. So thanks, I'll miss you, and hopefully see you soon.